Hello, Victor here from Multifunction Crewe, and I'm delighted to present this used Kia Sportage 1.6 GDi 2. Finished in black and powered by a 1.6 litre petrol engine, delivering 130 PS paired with smooth manual transmission, the Sportage offers versatile and family-friendly driving experience. At the front, sharp headlights and bold tiger nose grille establish a strong road presence, and the sculpted bumper design adds sporty touch. The Sportage sits proudly on 17-inch alloy wheels, enhancing its confident stance. At the back, the Sportage features sleek taillights connected by a subtle trim bar, creating modern and cohesive look. The boot offers generous space, perfect for family holidays, shopping or weekend getaways. With split folding rear seats, you gain flexibility for carrying larger loads while still accommodating passengers. In the back, passengers will appreciate comfortable cloth seats, ample legroom and supportive design. ISOFIX anchor points are included, ensuring safe and secure setup for child seats. Up front, the driver benefits from supportive seat with excellent visibility. The dashboard is well laid out, putting all essential controls within easy reach. Quality materials and thoughtful design touches enhance the overall driving environment. The multifunction steering wheel is leather trimmed, offering audio and phone controls at your fingertips. Behind it, clear dials and digital display provide easy-to-read driving information, helping you stay informed and focused on the road. This vehicle is equipped with dual automatic climate control, which keeps both driver and passenger comfortable. The infotainment system comes with a radio and media, giving you access to crisp audio for your music and entertainment, as well as phone connectivity thanks to Bluetooth, which ensures seamless hands-free calls and music streaming. You also get a navigation with clear mapping and live traffic updates, as well as plenty of settings allowing you to customize vehicle preferences to your taste. The driver will additionally benefit from the feedback from the reversing camera, providing extra confidence when maneuvering. This has been a presentation of the Kia Sportage 1.6 GDi 2, now available at Multifunction Crewe. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.